Hi, this is Reverend Joanna Bartlett, and in this video I'm going to talk about one more of the myths of grief that we are taught as supposed tools to help us deal with grief and loss, and that is staying busy. I mean, how many of us just, when loss occurs, we, put our head down and we just get on with it, we stay busy, we fill our lives with things. I can think of a couple of times in my own life where I've definitely done this. One was after my mom died. She died suddenly from a cancer diagnosis 3 weeks after she was diagnosed. And so we didn't have, there wasn't any preparation time. And after all was kind of said and done in her memorial service, my brother went back to France, my kids went to go spend some time at their dad's, and I was left to take care of all the things. And I'm very good at taking care of all the things, so I got right in it. I went through her whole apartment and sorted everything out, sold things, donated things, kept a few things, cleaned it all out, went back to work, just kept on going. I did the same thing after I was laid off from that job I was so anxious to get back to after my mom died. I was so productive that summer after I was laid off. I made lists of things to do and projects, and I did all these projects because I was used to working full time, and it really was hard for me to not be working full time in that job. It was a job I really loved, and losing it was really difficult for me to actually move on from. So I stayed busy. I got on with things. But the thing is that staying busy doesn't heal the loss. It doesn't resolve what is incomplete and unfinished in that experience or that relationship. The only thing that resolves that is actually doing the work to discover what's incomplete and then taking steps to complete that. Keeping yourself busy may help you get through another day, and I am not discrediting kind of the usefulness of that, the need of that sometimes. There definitely do seem to be times in our lives when the grief is so big that just surviving is an accomplishment and a triumph. But ultimately, at the end of the day, when you go to bed, you still know that no matter how busy you've kept yourself during the day, that loss is still there. And so keeping on busy, it won't heal that. There are ways to heal that. If you would like to learn more about the grief recovery method, which is what I use to help people move through the pain of loss and find resolution and aliveness in their life again, get in touch with me. You can connect with me either through my website or the blog post that is linked in this video.